In Europe, a new milestone has just been achieved in the quest for the ultimate high-speed transportation system. Imagine a world where you can travel hundreds of miles in minutes, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Welcome to the world of Hyperloop technology. The concept of high-speed, vacuum-based travel actually dates back over 100 years. In the early 1800s, British inventor George Medhurst first imagined transporting goods and people through pneumatic tubes. This idea resurfaced again and again, gaining traction with high-speed rail systems in the 20th century. But it wasn't until 2013, when Elon Musk outlined a detailed plan for the Hyperloop, that the vision of near supersonic travel in vacuum tubes began to take shape as a serious engineering pursuit. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves at EPFL, the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Lausanne, where Europe's first operational Hyperloop test facility has just achieved a record-breaking test run. This recent test, part of the Limitless project, has set a new benchmark for what Hyperloop technology can accomplish. Here is what they achieved. In a groundbreaking test, researchers simulated a full-scale Hyperloop journey equivalent to 88 miles, completing this route on a reduced 7.3-mile track. By simulating low-pressure conditions, they hit a top speed of 303 miles per hour. Although the track is scaled down, these speeds align closely with what we might expect from a full-scale Hyperloop system. The test track itself is a marvel of engineering, a 125.6-meter loop with a 40-centimeter diameter scaled down to 1 to 12 of a full Hyperloop system. This design lets engineers simulate Hyperloop dynamics in a controlled environment, allowing for quick iterations and improvements on key technologies like propulsion and levitation. The low-pressure environment is a critical factor in achieving such high speeds. By lowering the air resistance in the tube to just 50 millibars, engineers can test how capsules would perform in vacuum-like conditions, allowing the Hyperloop to travel at speeds that conventional transport simply can't reach. A big part of the success behind these tests is an innovation in the propulsion system, the linear induction motor, or LIM. This electric motor combines both levitation and propulsion into a single, highly efficient unit. Rather than relying on physical wheels or tracks, LIM uses magnetic forces to lift the capsule and move it forward, reducing friction to near zero. By integrating these two functionalities, the LIM not only maximizes energy efficiency but also ensures that the capsule can glide along without the wear and tear you'd find in traditional rail systems. It's a breakthrough that could change not just Hyperloop but transportation technology across the board. So, what does this mean for the future of transportation? A fully functional Hyperloop system could revolutionize travel. Imagine reducing your journey time between cities to just a fraction of what it is today, all without emissions. And the Hyperloop is poised to be much more than a passenger system. It could streamline freight transportation, moving goods at speeds that rival air transport without the environmental cost. In this test, the team completed over 80 runs, monitoring the capsule's energy usage, thrust and control through different speed phases. These trials help perfect the technology and ensure that it performs consistently under a range of conditions, inching us closer to large-scale deployment. Next up, the team is looking to expand their testing. They are working on developing a larger test facility in the US, where they plan to refine a Hyperloop freight transportation system. If successful, this system could pave the way for a full-scale passenger Hyperloop network. The broader impact of this innovation reaches beyond Hyperloop technology. As researchers refine the linear induction motor and energy-efficient levitation, this work has the potential to influence multiple industries, from high-speed rail and metro systems to even aerospace applications. Ultimately, the Hyperloop offers a vision of the future, where transportation is fast, frictionless, and sustainable. With European researchers leading the way, the Hyperloop is closer than ever to transforming how we connect, travel, and move goods. This achievement is just one step on the path to a new era of high-speed, eco-friendly travel. So whether it's moving people or products, the Hyperloop might just redefine the limits of distance and time. Stay tuned as we continue to follow these exciting developments. The future of transportation is closer than you think.